Ladies and gentlemen, it's my pleasure to be here today to launch the very much awaited 2014 International Visitor Survey Report. First of all, I'd like to begin by thanking you all for making the time to this morning to be here for the launch. This is a very important report. I know it's the festive season and a lot of you would be already on holidays and away with your family. So thank you for joining us this morning. Ladies and gentlemen, the Fijian government recognizes the tourism industry as a key sector contributor to the Fijian economy. And this sector is not only the largest contributor to the Fijian GDP, but it is the largest employer and also an industry with the most foreign direct investment. And in its efforts to ensure that the tourism sector thrives in a sustained manner, the government is putting in place policies that are designed to align and adapt to emerging global trends with respect to tourism. Therefore, in order to develop appropriate policies in this continuously challenging travel and tourism environment, the policymakers need to have access to real-time tourism-related data. And so, ladies and gentlemen, the International Visitor Survey is a major initiative of the ministry that provides the right information for both the policymakers and the industry. And the research on this commenced in 1986 to primarily collect key tourism-related data. And the 2014 report is the first publication of the survey report in 5 years. And the reason why the ministry chose to work on the 2014 survey instead of the earlier years was to provide the stakeholders with the most latest of information. The 2014 report contained valuable findings that are important in ascertaining tourist preferences and experiences over time, and this information is taken to develop policies that will create an environment that ensures visitors' needs are met and helps the Fijian tourism industry. In order to keep the survey robust and up to date, the ministry had reviewed the IVS questionnaire this year, and we wanted the survey to capture all the relevant information that is appropriate to undertake further analysis and research and develop appropriate policies. For example, the survey provides travel and expenditure patterns of all the visitors that come to our shores, and then this information can be used to ensure that the Fijian government is maintaining infrastructure in the most visited regions of Fiji. It also allows government to assess why certain regions within Fiji are left out and what can be done to ensure that tourism benefits are spread right across those areas. And to provide timely data in 2015, the ministry had modernized the International Visitor Survey by making it electronic and paperless. And the current plans also focus on developing within the ministry, developing capacity to ensure regular and timely reporting, as well as maximize the use of specialized data software currently being used in-house. The IVS offices are stationed at Nanty International Airport. They're all now using tablets to administer the survey, making the survey more efficient in terms of eliminating missing data, and of course the experience of our visitors responding to the questionnaire is more convenient. And this also enables the officers immediately to upload the data on a software which the ministry has access to. And additionally, with the use of an IVS research software, the ministry will soon be able to generate reports regularly and in a timely fashion. In terms of the entire tourism sector, ladies and gentlemen, the government has set a target, and I've said this over and over again, set a target of about 2.2 billion industry by the end of 2021. And the ministry is in the final stages of completing our tourism plan that will set the guidelines for development in the tourism industry. I can't stress enough how important it is to have this readily available data to assist us in the overall planning process and ensure it's done in the most sustainable manner. And once again, I'd like to thank all those that have contributed towards the report through consultations conducted by the ministry, and the report wouldn't have been possible without you, especially our stakeholders. I'd also like to commend the dedication and commitment of the stakeholders here today, obviously, towards the progress and the development of the tourism sector and eventually the Fijian economy. And I sincerely hope that the findings of the survey will be of good use to you, and you'll be able to make sound decisions in your business planning as government also considers this very important with respect to our planning for the future, for the industry. So with those few words, ladies and gentlemen, I now officially launch the 2014 IVS survey report, and I wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a safe one too, and a prosperous New Year. Thank you very much.